work with the Toastmasters, and today to be also Vice President of the membership. Here you go. When I received the email about this open house, I thought, should I go or not? It was a short message to me. I have an opportunity to present to your club in 2-3 minutes. And I all night draft the presentation that I'm going to present. And you have a different mindset when you present something with a slide, because it's easy. Now I was sitting there thinking, what the heck I'm going to do now? So this is a challenge for me now. So before I jump into my presentation, a quick question for you. Have you ever had a situation when you have something important to say, but somehow you didn't know how to deliver it with confidence? Anyone? Very same here. So that's exactly why the World versus Toastmasters exists, where the club helps everyone to learn communication skills, specifically that helps global voice to become confident speakers. When you're confident, you bring the different feelings. You sound that people start trusting you if it's not true. So my next slide will be about us, about our club, and who we are. We are the World Voices Toastmasters with the award-winning and affiliated with the United Nations. We're located in the Midwest of the Manhattan, First Avenue, between First and Second Avenue and 43rd Street. So for the past 20 years, more than 20 years, they developed their leadership skills. So what truly defines our club is our inclusive and supportive environment, where members help each other, learn from each other, and they grow together and find their voice. It's important to find your inclusive voice. So next, about the flexibility of our meetings. We meet twice a month, but we have options to meet 3 times. For now, it's 3 times in the building, which requires prior registration before coming. So we meet the first Wednesday of the month, and then the 4th Tuesday of the month is a virtual meeting. So we greet everyone. Why do people join our club? Because we welcome everyone. If you are a completely beginner or the professional speaker. Because as a professional, you can contribute as a mentor. You can share your knowledge with someone else who helped before, the time to pay back. So both, as I mentioned before with other clubs, we have many native and non-native English speakers, where people come to learn, speak confidently in English, like me, myself too. So finally, we helped develop the practical real-world skills, such as preparing for the meetings, delivering your presentation, or just to speaking with your colleagues. So to find out why and which club you need to join, you just visit one of our clubs. If you decided to join, welcome. So when you attend, there is no pressure to come out and speak, if no volunteers, it's kind of pressure. And members can attend an informal speech. Because of the small club, everyone gonna have a chance to speak and see how that works for you. So we have the brochures in the back table. Please feel free to pick up one. Thank you.